Today, we're diving into how to reset your TCL soundbar. Whether it's to clear out all the custom settings or to troubleshoot, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. A factory reset can be the quick fix you need for issues like connectivity problems or audio glitches. But remember, this will wipe all your settings, so be sure to jot them down if you need to. Got your settings down? Great. Now let's reset your soundbar. Here are the simple steps to perform a factory reset on your TCL soundbar. Step 1. Start with your soundbar in standby mode. It shouldn't be fully off, just in standby where it's ready to spring into action. Step 2. Grab your soundbar's remote and find the play-pause button. It's the one you usually use to play or pause your music or to select options. Step 3. Press and hold the play-pause button for about 5 seconds. Keep an eye on the soundbar's display or the LED indicator, where you'll see the factory reset option appear. Step 4. Once you see the factory reset prompt, release the button and then press the play-pause button once more to confirm the reset. Step 5. Now give your soundbar a moment. It will go through the reset process and restart automatically. This is your cue that the reset is complete and everything's back to factory settings. And there you have it. Your TCL soundbar should be reset and ready to go. You'll need to reconnect it to your devices and set it up again, but it's a small price to pay for a soundbar that works like new. Repairing your soundbar with Bluetooth is a breeze. Just hit the Bluetooth button and select your soundbar from your device's Bluetooth menu, just like when you first set it up. And that's how you reset your TCL soundbar to its factory settings. If your soundbar didn't reset, don't worry. We've got you covered. Check out the link in the description below for a detailed troubleshooting guide that can help you out. Was this video helpful? Then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Got a question or a tip for your fellow viewers? Drop a comment below.